Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the sheet so filters behave predictably. Make sure headers are in row 1 and there are no stray blank rows or columns because filters detect contiguous ranges. Next, select the exact range or name it. This pins the filter to the right area. Then enable the built-in filter or create a filter view. Once done, the filter icons appear on each header. Use them to pick initial criteria and lock the shape of your data. You now set and refine the filter criteria to extract exactly what you need. Click a column's filter icon and choose text, number, or date conditions. Those built-ins are fast. For multi-column logic, open a filter view so you can combine conditions with and or simulate, or by adding separate views. If built-ins aren't enough, use custom formula and functions like rejects match or array formula to include advanced rules. Make sure to test results on a copy so you don't lose original data. Finish by locking your filter logic so collaborators don't break it. Save a filter view for repeatable views, and when needed, protect the range or sheet so others can't clear filters. Once saved, instruct users to switch views rather than altering the main filter. If results look off, check common problems: hidden rows, merged cells that break ranges, inconsistent data types, or header typos. If something still fails, recreate the range step by step to spot the exact breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.